Guys, this is another unboxed Christmas present that I just opened. And what do you see in there? Let me wipe all this flour off the front of it. Okay, what do you see in there? So I'm having that. And this. And these babies. These big boys. But I'm definitely dipping them in that hot Cheetos. Now, guys, I have my shrimp and my pickles in. The shrimp are at the very top. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, yeah. They busting open a little bit. But there we go. Hey, guys. Hey, my hangers. Welcome back to Hanging with Stephanie, where you've come to hang around with me. Don't forget, press subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up and comment down below. Now, we're going to get into this video. Now, you see what I got? If you looked at the beginning of the video, you'll see I opened up another Christmas gift. I got an air fryer. And it's been sitting here. I got my Christmas. You know, I actually did a video of Christmas, but I never put it out. But that was one of the things on there. But if you look at these big, huge shrimp, I did them with, what is it called? Oh, hot Cheetos. So I did shrimp, pickles. This is my first time doing it. So I followed the recipe that Toshpointfro put out. And here we go. So I have ranch here. This is Hidden Valley that I made. You know, on the little packet how it says. So I made that one. This one is Kraft, because I love me some buttermilk Kraft. And this is some cheese. So I got it all. Oh, these are wings. So I got wings, shrimp. What's wrong? Show them what? Kraft? That's my daughter. All right, bye, girl. Bye, girl. So we about to get into this. Amen. All right. So, and I got me my good old water. So, now let's get into this. So, what we want to try first, guys? What we want to try first? I think I'm going to try the pickle first, because that's what everybody... I love me some pickles. So, look at this pickle. And I'm going to dip it in this Hidden Valley, because it's so thick and good. So, wait. Let me see if you want some first. Let me get you some. This is good. I like fried pickles anyway. I usually fry pickles. I have a video on that too. I fry pickles and onion rings. So this is cheese, and this cheese is hot. I don't know if you can see the steam from it or not. Oh, it's real good in there too. Let me try my go-to. Yep. It tastes good in all of them, okay? Now, I've never had pickles with hot Cheetos. I just fry mine. I dip mine in some flour, and then I do the egg. Then I do the flour, then I do the egg, and then I do the breadcrumbs, but I do the panko breadcrumbs. Let me see. Let me make sure this chicken. Y'all know I don't play with chicken, because I haven't tried nothing, and it's done. Okay. Yeah, because I overdid my chicken a little bit. Because, you know, I got to make sure my chicken is done. I can't play with no chicken. Yeah, I got to make sure that bone done. Because I've never used the air fryer before. Today was my first day. Okay. Look, guys. I couldn't offer you none of the chicken fries. Cause I had to make sure it was done for you. I didn't want to taste anything. I did not want to taste nothing before getting on camera. I wanted to give you my true opinion. You don't know, this stuff is going straight down. All the crumbs, everything. Oh. Now I know what y'all want me to try. I know what y'all want me to try. This big boy right here. What y'all want me to dip it in first? The cheese? The ranch? Which one? Tell me. Y'all want cheese, don't y'all? Y'all want cheese? Okay, wait a minute, let me see. Oh my goodness. I almost dropped it. Look at that. Take a bite. Now I know this is done. You still see the steam coming off. I just pulled this out. This is good. Oh. Oh, that came off. Put it back on. Look at that. It's still huge. Look how much is still left. And y'all just saw how much of it I ate. Let me dip it in this one. Y'all, it's good. If you haven't tried it, you definitely need to. Oh, let me get me a thumbnail in real quick, because I ain't getting one before this. Let me do this. So, how's your Monday going? How's your Monday? Look, I love the way Connor loves school. He came running to the car today with this paper showing that he got on purple today. Purple is the highest, I guess the best. You know, they move up. Is you start off on green and then it's blue, purple, or you start off on green, you go to yellow and then red, or orange, yellow, red. And so, this the second time he got purple. And he's been so excited. He got blue on Friday or Thursday. He was like, Ma, I almost had purple. I only got the blue, though. So he was super excited about that. I love that he's excited about school. Now, it just gotta stay that way. Oh, this is so good. Oh, I'm gonna do another shrimp. This one is huge. Actually, all of them are huge. Let me do this one. No, I'll do this one. Look at this bad boy right here. Oh my goodness. All right, let's take this down. Oh my goodness. I think I like this better than the Cheeto. I forgot my cocktail sauce. This probably would have been bomb. And some cocktail sauce? That's like fried shrimp. That's all this is, just with a different breading. And I did it in the air fryer. So, guys, it's already the end of February. It's just this last week left. And then we're in March. And guess what? That's my daughter's birthday. She turns 14 years old. So she's excited. She's already trying to plan something. She wants to go to sushi. She loves sushi. So she want to go to a sushi restaurant. I'm just feeling these pickles, man. The pickles and the shrimp are really good. I like the chicken, but because I did the chicken first, it's not hot. And I did the pickles and the shrimp together because they don't need as long as chicken. And I thought the chicken would stay warm. It's good, but it's cold. Well, lukewarm. And I'm the type of person that likes my chicken straight out the... If I'm baking chicken, as soon as it comes out, I want to plate it and eat it. I like my chicken hot. If I'm frying chicken, I want it straight out the grease. Excuse me. I mean, literally, you lay it on the rack, let it drip a little bit off, and then I put it on my plate, or put it on the napkin and then my plate, so it don't burn through. I want it hot, so when I break it open, I'm like, you know how we like to eat it when it's the way I was just eating the shrimp. So I'm definitely gonna heat these back up real quick and take them down. Mm-mm-mm. So overall, it was all good. All of it. I think I want another shrimp though. Yeah, I do. At least a bite. These shrimp are bomb. And this cheese. Oh my goodness. Mmm. And it's still hot. That's how I like it. Still hot. Mm. Okay. That was good. But I'm definitely full now. Actually, I'm not. Because I want my chicken. I can take down these 4 little wingette pieces. So, that little boy yelling. I don't know if y'all heard him. But, thank you for coming by and hanging with me. You're welcome to come back anytime you like. Every time I put up a video, if you push that red button that says subscribe and then hit the bell, you'll know every time I do a video. So, see you later.